you aiming for a secure and prestigious government job? The Staff Selection Commission offers incredible career opportunities through exams like CGL, CHSL, JE, and MTS. Stay tuned as we break down the exam patterns, key details, and preparation tips to help you succeed. The SSC conducts various exams to recruit candidates for Group B and Group C posts in government ministries and departments. Let's explore the exam pattern for the major SSC exams. Number 1. The SSC CGL. It is conducted in 4 tiers. Tier 1. The objective paper with sections on general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, and English comprehension. You will have 60 minutes with 200 marks in total for this exam. Tier 2 is mains, which includes advanced questions on quantitative aptitude, English language and comprehension, general studies based on finance and economics, and you will have 2-hour duration for per paper. Tier 3 is the descriptive paper, which includes essay, letter writing, précis writing in English or Hindi. Now let's come to the Tier 4, which includes skill test or the computer test required for specific posts. Number 2. SSC CHSL exam, which is conducted in 3 stages. Tier 1 is the objective test with sections on general intelligence, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, and English language. You will have 60 minutes for this test. Tier 2 will have descriptive paper, which includes essay, letter writing in English or Hindi. Tier 3 will test your skills for typing, essential for clerical roles. Number 3. SSC Junior Engineer. This exam is conducted in 2 stages. Paper 1 is of objective type exam with general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, technical subjects like civil, electrical or mechanical engineering is covered. You will have 2-hour duration for this test. Paper 2 is the descriptive exam focused on core engineering subjects. Number 4. SSC MTS Multitasking Staff. This exam is conducted in 2 stages. Paper 1 is the objective type exam, which includes general English, general intelligence and reasoning, numerical aptitude and general awareness. You will have 90 minutes for this exam. Paper 2 is short essay or letter writing for basic language skills. To ace the SSC exams, you need to master the basics of mathematics and reasoning for strong conceptual clarity. Strengthen your English comprehension and writing skills for descriptive papers. You need to stay updated with current affairs and you need to practice previous year papers regularly. Build speed and accuracy through mock tests to improve performance under pressure. With consistency and focus, you can excel in SSC exams. Your government job dream is just one step away. Start your preparation today and unlock your path to success. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channels for more exam tips and updates. Best of luck with your preparation.